Okay, we're gonna do a little work today. Feeling a little bit better finally. So someone took a buffing pad and did a number of these cylinders here. So it's very uneven. Sticks way the hell up in the air here. See how low that is there? So we'll have to cut these until they clean up. So I'm just getting ready to do this one. Do a couple checks. So come over here, you can film over here. So we're gonna film me, hopefully not throwing up. Okay, that looks straight. It's way different. It's 10th thou right there, difference between those two surfaces. Okay. Slide in one speed. See all the low spots?
Yeah.
And we already cut 8 thou. It's real low through and I haven't hit yet.
So 80 grit sandpaper is not good for.
I don't know what they used, but it was not good. I don't know if they used a buffing pad or sandpaper or something. Okay, I'm going to try with 10 and see what happens here. This is only 2 thou more. Hope this won't be clean. 10 thou cut's going to raise your compression up to a couple, point of a point minimum. High compression motor.
Oh wow.
See right between the oil gallery?
Looks a whole lot cleaner though.
Yeah, but that's an oil leak.
Yep.
But that's an oil drain hole. Depends on what cylinder's on, whether it drains or not through that one or this one. But they both go into the hole next to it. This one's pretty deep. Cleaned other than that. We'll give it 2 more thou.
There we go. That was still a little low spot.
This one's going to take more than that to clean, but this one here has, so we got to see which one has the oil hole, and we're going to make this the other cylinder. Because this one here we're good, this one here we still suck on. So.
Right.
So they only use one drain back hole at a time, as I recall. Anyway, it's a lot flatter than it was anyway. So, still not the best in condition. I'm not changing anything, so I should be able to put the other cylinder in there and do the same height.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not changing anything. Wipe all the chips off. See what this one is. Back it off a little bit. Not hitting. Get it all on this side. Already went 8th out.
Yeah.
Might have been on the dowel, I'm not sure. Find out. I think we're on the dowel a little bit. Yeah, still not hitting. See how uneven this one is too, all the low spots.
Right.
Alright. Starting to come in.
Mm-hmm.
Clean spot.
Same low spots.
Yeah. Except this one's worse on this side, and this
Yeah.
one's better, which is good. And that's how the other one was. It's opposite. See, this one's bad on this side. That's the good one. So if we do it correctly, we still make we got 2 more thou to go. So we'll go to 2 more thou. Right there. It's going to matter which way these go on.
Yeah.
Other than that, they're the same. Clean. Clean, clean. Still got a low spot on that too. See, whenever you got paper or wheels, it always digs in on the edge and cuts deeper.
Right.
That's why it dug up between the 2 holes pretty easily. The wheel just goes right over the high spot and it eats the piss out of it right below. Alright, that'll work. Just figure out which one's going to be which.
Just mark it.
Yeah. Look at your heads. I don't remember which head goes, which oil drain application goes through, and I don't remember. Just to figure out which one of these goes through, one's to the head. So at least one's good on one side, one's good on the other. So it's a little flatter now than it used to be.
Right.
This side here looked like it's good. They didn't butcher it. So lucked out. All right, next thing I do is hone. We'll be back.